Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Venus transit in Virgo sign from 23rd of October 10:58 am to 17 November 1:15 am. My all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, you know very well. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, Venus in transit in your 6th house and debilitated sign, and Venus is not comfortable in 6th house, being a lord of your 2nd lord and 7th lord. Transit in your 6th house, you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about relationship with your spouse. Don't argument with your spouse, and also you need to take care about your spouse health. This is a time, this is a 25 days when you will be suffered little bit related to skin disease and some arguments and some dispute with your life partner. So stay positive and think positive. Try to be calm and be humble in front of your spouse. If you have a Aries ascendant, then you don't sign any documents, don't trust of anyone in these 25 days. Someone may cheat you, someone may hurt you or cheat you, someone may give you false promise. So try to do your best and don't sign any document, don't sign any new deal, don't sign any new contract, don't buy any new vehicle during these 25 days. I'm telling you again, Venus is in your 6th house, being a lord of your 2nd and 7th, transit in your 6th house, which is not a Venus well placement. So you need to focus on your health and relationship with your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants being a lord of your 1st house, Venus transit in your 5th house, which is Trikona Sthan, Lakshmi Bhav, from 17th October from 23rd of October to 17th November. Venus in 5th house, transit in 5th house will give you lot of good gains. You will get money from stock market. If you're already investing your money in stock market, you will get a lot of good gains, and the relationship with you and your spouse will be ultimate. No doubt Venus is debilitated here, but 5th house is a house of Lakshmi Sthan, Trikona Bhav. Venus will give fantastic result in 5th house. So those native who are in a love affair, their love affair will turn in long lasting relationship like marriage, or those native who are interested to talk with our family related to our love affair turn in marriage. This is the right time. So overall, Taurus ascendants, you will enjoy a lot of benefits because Venus 7th aspect is in your 11th house, which will give you lot of multiple source of earning during this 25 days. You will get money from your old investments, or your business will give you lot of good benefits, and your source of earning will develop these 25 days. Those native who are unemployed, they may get a job, or they may get some small amount of profit during these 25 days. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, for you, Venus is a ruling planet, is a Yog Karaka planet for Gemini ascendants, and transit in your 4th house, but in debilitated sign. You need to be careful while dealing with your mother. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. This is a time when you will be mentally feeling very low, and relationship with your mother will be matter of concern. But overall, 4th house is a Kendra Sthan, so Venus will give you mixed fruit here. You will enjoy one side a very materialistic gains are there, some hidden savings will rise, or some type of you may start some type of learning, and your relationship will, with your spouse will be good. But overall, you need to be careful because this transit will give you mixed fruits during 25 days, because Venus is in Virgo sign, which is a debilitation sign of Venus, and Venus is not very much comfortable, but is in 4th house, that is a Kendra Sthan. I'm telling you again and again. So Venus will give you the mixed results, but don't try to start anything new during these 25 days. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. For Cancer ascendants, Venus transit in your 3rd house. This is a time when there is some dispute and arguments with your siblings. And this is a time when you will be in a confusion related to your love life if you are in affair. This is a time when you are thinking negative about your love life and about your you can say spouse if you are married. So you need to focus on the relationship, because this period will give you a lot of stress related to your personal life. If you are married, then your relationship with spouse will be affected, and you need to focus on your relationship with your spouse. This time you will be on you can say very confused, and if you are interested in any type of short journeys, so this is not a very fruitful 25 days for you from 17th October to 23rd of October to 17th November. Avoid any type of short distance or long distance travel, and try to be in a good relationship with your siblings. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. For Leo ascendants, Venus in transit in your second house. Second house is a house of own house of Venus in Kalpurush Kundli. Venus will give fantastic results here, and you will get a lot of finance, your savings will rise, and your family will support you. You will enjoy a lot of benefits, and this time you will be on another height of success. If you are a businessman, if you are doing any type of investment in any field, you will get very good returns during these 25 days, because Venus is in second house, which is Venus' own house in Kalpurush Kundli. So Kalpurush Kundli play a big role, you know. Ascendants play second role, first play Kalpurush Kundli. So Leo ascendants, Venus may not a very beneficial planet for you, but being a transit in your second house will give you very fruitful results, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy marital happiness. Your spouse will support you. Your family will support you. Your eating habits will arise, and you will start eating a lot. You know, there's a strong chances you will gain your weight during this 25 days. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants, Venus is transit in your own house, in first house, in debilitation sign, and Venus is a ruling planet, a beneficial planet for Virgo ascendants. You will get very good name, fame, prosperity during this period, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Things will turn in your favor, and your hard work will pay off you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, materialistic gains are theirs, and some unexpected money will knock you. Your spouse will support you. Suddenly you will see a big change in your relationship, personal relationship. Your spouse or your girlfriend may start supporting you. These 25 days are biggest game changer for you, Virgo ascendants, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, then this is the ultimate time, because Ascendant's Lord is in 12th house, which will give you lot of benefits related to your settlement in foreign land. And second, Venus transit in your first house, your respect will arise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of positive energy. Your health will fine, and you will be in a very good positive zone related to your health and related to your wealth. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, your Ascendant's Lord transit in your 12th house and debilitation sign. You will be little bit unbalanced due to some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. And this time, when short and long distance journeys are there, and you may plan some long distance journey, and some sudden unexpected expenditures will create some unbalance between your savings and your expenditures. Your source of earning may develop, but overall this period will give you a lot of stress related to your unexpected expenditures. Don't be a part of any arguments or any litigation, because these 25 days is not very promising for you, because your Ascendant's Lord transit in your 12th house. These 25 days will create some hurdles and struggles in your professional life as well as personal life. Focus on your things, and don't invest new money during this 25 days when Venus is in your 12th house. Don't sign any new documents or any new dealing with anyone. This is not a very beneficial period for you. Overall, this time will bring mixed fruit for you. You are not feeling happy, you are not in a comfortable zone, so try to avoid negative thoughts. Overall, some type of those native who are already doing any type of import-export business, they may get very good finances from overseas land, but expenditures will irritate you. So try to keep your money in your savings, and don't go for some wastage expenditures. It will create some problem in coming future. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, being a lord of your 7th and 12th house, Venus is Venus is debilitated sign. Virgo is in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of materialistic gains. You will get some finances from overseas land. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. This is a time when new business partnership start, and someone new enter in your life. If you are male, a female may enter in your life as a business partner, and if you are unmarried, you will get some marriage proposals during this period, or your love affair may start during this period, because Venus 7th aspect is on 5th house, which is exaltation sign in Pisces. In 5th house will give you lot of benefits. You will become very creative, and you will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity, and your social circle will give you lot of benefits. Your friends and your family will support you. Your elder siblings will support you. You will get good gains from higher authority during this period. In 11th house, there is no planet debilitated, there is no planet exalted. If any planet placed or transit in 11th house, it will definitely give fantastic result if you have a Mahadasha or Antardasha of that planet. So Scorpio ascendants, this is a time when you will be sky high and you will be rock. And if you want to start something new, then I suggest you to have to wait till 17th November. After 17th November, you may start anything new. And those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, these 25 days, biggest game changer for you. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, Venus is debilitated transit in your 10th house, and 10th house is a Kendra Sthan. Venus will give very good results if you are a businessman, and if you are already dealing any type of ladies dress material, boutique, beauty parlor, you have any type of these type of work, you will get blessed with big profits, and some new deals will make you happy. Some unexpected earning will make you happy. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy a lot of mental peace. 10th house is a house of Kendra Sthan. I'm telling you, in Kendra and in Trikona Bhav or in Labh Sthan, planet are always give fantastic results. So if you have a good Venus placement in your natal chart, in your birth chart, you will definitely blessed with a good business during these 25 days. Sagittarius, you need to do your best because Jupiter is already in your first house, which is going to give you a lot of blessings. So this is a time when you will be top and you will be rock. So do your best and try to be polite with your life partner. Give some respect to your life partner, then you will automatically get respect from your life partner. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled related to your professional life, related to your source of earning, and you will enjoy a lot of materialistic comfort as well as financial comforts. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy a lot of benefits. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants, Venus is transit in your 9th house. Good fortune started smile for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. There is a strong chances for long distance journey which will give you a lot of happiness. You will get some unexpected finance. Good fortune started smile for you. You may go for some religious activities which will give you a lot of good energy. Overall, this 25 days from 23rd of October to 17th November, you will be on another height of success. But you need to be careful while dealing with your life partner. This is a time when you get some upset and due to your spouse is not going to give you very positive response. This time, these 25 days will create some problems and some hurdles related to your marital life, related to your relationship with your spouse. So be polite and humble while talking with your spouse and give some respect to your spouse. This is a time when you earn a lot of money, name, fame. If you want to switch off your job, then these 25 days will biggest game changer for you. You may get a very good job beyond your expectations. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, Venus is transit in your 8th house. 8th house, Venus is not comfortable here. You may suffer from some skin disease, or you may suffer from some problem in your secret part of your body, and this period when your relationship with your spouse will be affected and your family atmosphere will be affected. You are not feeling very comfortable, you are getting very upset and disturbed, you are feeling very negative energy because your family atmosphere will be affected. But Venus aspect is on your 2nd house will give you a big amount of money from somewhere. You may get blessed with a good money from somewhere. Some unexpected gains will make you happy and your savings will rise. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, Venus transit in your 7th house in Kendra Sthan, and in Kalpurush Kundli, Venus is in own house in 7th house. That may be debilitated, that is secondary. But first we consider as a Venus in Kalpurush chart in 7th house transit. As per your ascendants is in 7th house, as per Kalpurush Kundli is in 7th house. It will give you lot of benefits, lot of good results, and lot of good respect from your spouse. This time, if you show some respect to your spouse, you will get very good fortune. Divine grace will help you and your all pending work will click, your source of earning will rise, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits from your business, from your workplace. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled and your love life will be on another height of success. Overall, enjoy the Venus transit in Virgo. I am praying for your happy life. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.